In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a random number generator program in Python, and it's a relatively simple tutorial, and I'll show you how to customize it for different numbers and digits. So yeah. Okay, so what we want to do in PyCharm is create a new file. So I'm just going to say RNG random number generator. Okay, and because we're working with random numbers, we're going to need to import a module called random. Simple as that. And now we're going to have to use something called a for loop. If you haven't used the for loop, I've got other videos which I'll leave in the description below where I have used for loops and where I'm going to actually explain them in that video. So you should go and check those out. If you want to watch here, it's fine. So I'm going to continue. So we're going to have for x in range, and you can use any numbers, any letter in place of x. And I'm going to start off with 10. You'll know what the 10 means soon. Then you need a colon. Then I'm going to do print random dot rand int, and then 101. So you can pause this right here and take a guess what you think it will be. So I'll give you 3 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what this means. So we're going to have 10 numbers that are going to be printed, and they're going to be random between 1 and 100. Not 101 because it's going to go up to there, so it's going to stop at 100. So let me put brackets around this. Okay, so this program should be fine. I'm going to click, let me enlarge this first, and then I'm going to click run, and run. Okay, so at the bottom you can see 25, 55, 87, 51, 2, 37, 101, 85, 98, 72. So actually it does end up printing 101. I'm surprised by that, but you get the general principle. I'll run it again. Remember these numbers because they're going to be random. Run and run. Again, completely random numbers. So let me change this number over here. Let me change 10. Let me put 2. So you can take a guess what changing that to 2 should make, and then you run again, and here it only prints 2 random numbers. So this, it chooses the amount of numbers you want. So I'm going to print 90, and then I'm going to run. It shows 90 different numbers. Now let's see what happens if I type 102. We're gonna run, and it prints 102 numbers, but it randomizes them, so it can still print 102. You can print as many, but between, well, up from 1 to 101. So you can print another one, but it's also random. So that's it. If you like that video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. If you like tech and programming stuff in general, look at the link in the description below. And until next time, bye.